Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c : \boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.